Hi, my name is Orit. I want to introduce you to NetSpeX, our new sprinkler design tool. The next time you need to design a sprinkler system or simply choose a sprinkler for a given application, NetSpeX will deliver a super fast and professional solution with an awesome user experience. Want to see how it works? Let's say you need to design a sprinkler system for a potato field. Simply go to select an application and fill in the specific conditions of your field. NetSpeX will then recommend which 3 sprinklers offer the best performance based on your needs. Now, choose one of the suggested options and boom, you get all the relevant data in a clear and a shareable way. If you already have a sprinkler and you want to know the optimal way to operate it, that's easy too. Simply click Select a sprinkler and choose the sprinkler that you have. Then define the field conditions for that sprinkler, and NetSpeX will give you all the performance details for this configuration. From here, you can change the distance between sprinklers to find the optimal spacing to achieve the highest water distribution uniformity in a fast and a responsive way. If you have more than one sprinkler option and you are not sure which will do the best job, NetSpeX makes that easy too. You can easily compare up to 4 sprinkler models, so you can make a smart choice based on comparative performance, and you can do all this in seconds. Since NetSpeX keeps all the product data online, now there is no need to save files on your computer, and you can be sure that all the professional data is always up to date. Do the smart thing and spec out your next sprinkler system with NetSpeX. Go to netspex.netafim.com and start designing differently today.